AutoInTouch video tutorial sessions episode 4. In this episode we are going to create a customer in the system without having a document or a diary entry. From the Workshop tab, we click Customer Maintenance. We enter into name, and then click Generate Account. Generate Account will create a unique account code. Enter the customer's address. Or just enter a postcode. As before, in episode 1, entering a postcode, we enter in, click the magnifying glass, click the address, click OK. We select our customer type from retail, trade, cash on delivery, cash sale, wholesale, exempt, internal, export, police or fleet. But 90% of the time it'll be retail. We select our default document. Our default document is when we create a document for this customer. Do we have it as a job card? Are they estimates? Are they quotes? Or are they direct to invoice? The price code will remain as retail price unless you have trade prices set up. The reminder type would be letter, email, SMS, or a combination of or neither. And the invoice default will be how the customer would by default have their invoices. Do they have them sent by email or do they have them printed out? The contact information on the top right hand side would be the information about that customer and how you would generally contact them. You can enter in there a more familiar name, how the customer would prefer to be spoken at or referred to as, telephone numbers, mobile, fax and email. And you can have multiple contacts for each account. And the more contacts you add, the more appear in your list. For other information, if your customer has a unique customized labour rate for just them, you can enter in the labour rate here. You can enter in a percentage of cost on all parts. You can stop the account should they be a non-payer, or you can apply a document level customer discount percentage. This would mean that you would create your document as per normal, and in this scenario a 10% discount would be applied to all items on the document excluding the MOT. The History tab will show any invoices that have already been completed for this customer, and the Notes tab would be anywhere you want to make specific notes about that customer. When everything's done, click Update and your customer maintenance screen is complete.